Naimbang na malam or good afternoon. It's Sunday afternoon here, and for those that are in countries that's ahead of time, good morning. And on this Learn Ilocano video, let's continue learning insects and pests in Ilocano. If you wanna say butterfly in Ilocano, it's kulibangbang. Kulibangbang. Li bang bang. Kulibangbang. And what about a worm? A worm in Ilocano is igges. Igges. Okay, let's say that slowly. Ig. Say that again. Ig. Ig. Gus. Gus. Ig. Gus. A worm is iggus. Ig. Gus. And snake in Ilocano is uleg. Uleg. Leg. Leg. Uleg. And ant in Ilocano is kuton. Kuton. Ton. Kuton. And here next, I just wanna share a video clip of an uyukan that I spotted the other day when I went to Walmart Garden Center. So, what's an uyukan? So, now you know what an uyukan is. Uyukan or bee. Uyukan. U-U-kan. Uyukan. And last one for our video is the firefly or kulalanti. Ku-la-lan-ti. Kulalanti. So that's it for today's Learn Ilocano video, and if you haven't seen the first part of our insects and pests in Ilocano, you can visit the suggested video above, or you can check below. So now, let's review our 6 insects and pests in Ilocano. We have the butterfly or kulibangbang. Kulibangbang. And worm, to say worm, it's iggus. Iggus. Bee is uyukan. Uyukan. A snake is uleg. Uleg. Ant, kuton. Kuton. And last one, firefly or kulalanti. Kulalanti. So, that's it for tonight. Bye! See you on the next video.